We've all heard that AI can edit your videos, but adding sound effects is only available now thanks to this unbelievable AI video editor. Basically, it allows you to add your own sound effect, but comes included with 41 unbelievable sound effects. Like, check this one out. You know that sound effect that starts at the beginning of a video and just hooks you in, like, what the hell just happened? That was crazy. So yeah, I keep pressing the beep button for the cursing, even though I'm not really cursing. I'm just doing that to kind of show off. But you have all of these unbelievable sound effects. Like, check out this one. Applause. Now, when you give AI this kind of ability, when you give AI all of these different sound effects, and you can even add your own sound effect by clicking on add your own, you can give a name to the file and when the AI should use the sound effect. So if you've been editing and using your amazing sound effects, which you probably purchased or created, you can now have AI use them at the perfect times. Meaning with this software called Zippy Clip, the AI video editor, you can actually now create some sound effect. Wow! So basically, using these sound effects, your videos are going to get more viewers. You know what happened today? I'm going to tell you a story. I posted a video of me talking just like this, and it was actually quite boring what I was saying. I'm actually going to admit that. I know nobody says this kind of things on social media, but I'm just honest. I don't really care what anyone thinks. I made a boring video. Yes, I made a boring video. And I didn't say much in the video, but some guy stayed in the video for 3 minutes, even though I was saying some nonsense. And the reason why I stayed, he said, is because you worked so hard on this edit. And so I stayed till the end. But really, there was not, you didn't really say anything of value. And I was like, oh my gosh, you just proved a point. When you edit your video, meaning when you let AI do all of this effect, sound effects, remotions, hyperframes, video effects, text, subtitles, and all these sound effects, then of course people are going to stay in your video. So you're going to end up getting more clients, which basically converts to more money for you. So this software is a no-brainer for anyone who says to themselves, wow, I wish I would edit my videos, but is not going to do it. And in the end of the day, when you use a software like this, it makes it so easy to edit your videos. You just drop the video on the timeline and type a prompt or have a preset prompt. So it's so easy that there's no excuse anymore. Now, additionally, you can choose the sound effect volume here. You can choose 20, 40, 60, or 100. 40 works pretty well. I think 30 is a little bit more subtle. 40's been working pretty well for me, and people enjoy the effects. I haven't had any complaints as of yet. So that sounds like a good, medium. And that's it. So I'm obviously going to run this video I just created through Zippy Clip, which is my AI editor. So I'm going to literally stop recording right now. I'm going to drop this video onto Zippy Clip, and then I'm going to publish it to all my channels. And you'll be surprised. You're going to see some effects in it. You're going to see sound effects apart from the ones I demonstrated. And that's why this is going to be a game changer for anyone who doesn't want to have to keep editing their own videos. It's time AI did editing for you. See you in the next video.